Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Hunting Cat EA for MT4, which is currently available on the MQL5 Marketplace. As we can see, this expert advisor is priced at 69 US dollars and it comes with 5 activations. The EA is currently at version 1.0, developed by Alexandra Civil Muedra. Now, looking through the description, the developer presents Hunting Cats as a Forex grid trading strategy designed to divide the market into multiple price levels and place both buy and sell orders at those levels simultaneously. According to the marketplace information, the goal is to take advantage of market movement in either direction while using an integrated drawdown reduction feature intended to help manage risk exposure. The developer also mentions that the EA can be configured according to the trader's preferences with flexibility around time frame selection, currency selection, and grid distance settings. Now, one important note shown here is that the EA is designed to work across all time frames. Although the developer states that higher time frames generally provide safer results. Another point worth noting is that Hunting Cat is described as working across currencies, markets, cryptocurrencies, and stocks, giving traders a wide range of potential instruments to explore. However, as always, individual testing is important before applying any strategy to a live environment. Moving into the parameters section, we can see several customization options. There is a magic number setting for order identification along with a trade counter trend option. When this is set to false, the EA follows the market trend, and when set to true, it trades reversal opportunities instead. Now, the EA also includes settings such as initial lot multiplier, maximum lot size, allowing traders to control position sizing and how additional trades are handled within the grid structure. Other important controls include distance points for grid spacing, take profit points, maximum number of orders, and the drawdown reduction settings that determine when the safety mechanism begins operating and how much additional profit is targeted during that process. Now let us move over to the historical backtest results. Let me start by going through the provided information here. I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was over $104,000 and 27,608 trades were taken. Okay, and here I can see initial deposit 10,000, total net profit over 53,000, total trades 2,805. Let's head over to our strategy tester. Let us see how the Hunting Cat EA performed on Euro USD on the H1 time frame over the past 3 months using the every tick model. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the reports right away, and I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was 8,892.07. 502 trades were taken, out of which 362 were profitable. giving us a 72.11% win rate. Largest profit was 639.25. Largest loss was 225.57. Average profit 8.83. Average loss 9.33. All right. So that shows that the average risk to reward ratio is bad. Now let me go turn on the visuals so that we can see the EA in action. When reviewing any historical test, I like to focus on how the EA behaves over time rather than just looking at the final profit figure. Longer testing periods generally provide a broader view of performance across different market conditions. So I would still recommend running extended backtests yourself for a more complete evaluation. Based on the marketplace description, the strategy operates by creating multiple levels in the market and managing simultaneous buy and sell positions across those levels. The historical chart activity can help reveal how the grid structure reacts to price movement, how frequently positions are added, and how the drawdown reduction feature contributes to overall trade management during larger market swings. As with any grid-based approach, settings such as grid distance, take profit targets, lot sizing, and maximum order limits can have a significant impact on historical performance. Small adjustments to these parameters may produce very different results during testing. So, looking at the overall historical testing performance, it is important to remember that backtest results are simply a record of past market conditions. Future results can vary depending on risk settings, lot sizes, broker execution quality, spread, slippage, market volatility, and how well the EA is optimized for the instrument being traded. Overall, Hunting Cat EA provides a configurable grid trading framework with trend following and counter trend options, drawdown reduction functionality, and flexibility across different markets and time frames. So if you are interested in this type of trading approach, I would strongly recommend performing your own optimization and long-term testing before considering any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.